Okay, in today's video I'm going to be working on the John Deere 410 loader backhoe. I got a new bucket of oil here I just went and picked up because it's low on hydraulic oil, and I got to try to figure out what's leaking on it. I believe it's some steel lines underneath the belly of the machine here, and it looks like it's almost leaking on some fittings. So I'm going to go ahead and put some oil in it and see exactly what's leaking and see if it's an easy fix or what's going to happen. I kind of like get the hydraulic leaks fixed up on it because first off, I hate to leak oil and pollute all over, and also this oil does cost close to $80 a bucket, and it goes to the bucket of no time. So okay, just got the bucket of oil dumped in it, and just put it right up to the fold line. And I'm going to go ahead and get the backhoe moved out of here and get out of this cab because, man, it is hot in here. So let me get this machine moved and we'll find out where we're leaking at and see if we can get it fixed. Okay, it looks like the oil leak is back here on these lines. You can see the mark in the ground. It happened to run there too long. And it's already starting to leave a spot. But I don't know if you can see that up in there. But these fittings here look like they're leaking. Let me get a light up here so you can see. So I guess I will start there and see on what I can do. Okay, I switched out to a camera here with a light on it, and I couldn't get a camera and a wrench in here at the same time. So I went ahead and tried getting them tightened down. I thought maybe they come loose. And they already seem tight. And so now I need to find out on why they're leaking. Okay, did some more looking around underneath here. And I'm not sure if those lines are leaking. It might be another line above that. Let me turn the camera around here. These here are the lines that I thought were leaking. You see those drips on them. And then the line above that. But the more I get to looking, there seems to be some oil around this line here. That's like a return line because it has a hose clamp on it. So that's not running any pressure. And looks like that's leaking. Now I don't know if that's just come loose or if I need to replace that hose. If I need to replace that hose, it's going to be a bugger to get to. I have another return line here. And again, non-pressurized. There's quite a bit of oil on it. But again, I don't know if something else is leaking higher up. So let me get a screwdriver here and I'll try my luck at getting this here tightened up. And go from there and see what happens. Okay, that's actually a little bit loose. Do you guys think I got lucky here and just have a loose hose clamp? Leave it in the comments down below. If you think it's something bigger, don't tell me because I'm not sure if I want to know. Ugh. Okay, that's pretty tight. I want close to half turn on it. Okay, just got the backhoe pulled out here, and usually when it's sitting here idling, you can see it dripping. It has a fairly good leak, so I guess we'll see on if the leak's gotten better or not. Okay, I'm going to be calling it quits here for today, and I'll be back out here tomorrow and see on about pulling out that top line. I'm not sure that bottom line is leaking. I think the top one's just dripping down onto it. So it's a lot worse leaking than I thought it actually was, so I need to do something about it here fairly quick. I don't really want to run the machine much with that decent of a leak. So I'll be back tomorrow, which will just be a quick scene change for you.
3 days later.
Okay, a week and a few inches of rain later, we're back to work here on the backhoe. And I guess we're going to climb underneath here and see if we can't get this line that's leaking taken off and see if we can get it fixed up. Okay, got steel line pulled off here, and I can't really see anything on what's leaking. I mean, it all looks in fine shape. I'm going to sand it up here, and I guess stick it back on. I don't really know what else to do, and I guess we'll see on if it leaks.
One eternity later. Eventually.
Okay, apparently I forgot to hit the record button when I got the camera set up, putting that steel line back in. But I got the steel line in, it actually went in quite easy. And got all tightened down, and I guess we're going to start the machine and see if it leaks. Okay, that appears to have fixed it. I don't know on why they would leak in begin with. I mean, there was no damage to the lines. I just lightly sanded them up and reassembled. And I don't know if sanding was necessary or not, but either way, it's not leaking, so I'm not going to complain. Be sure to subscribe for more videos to come, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified when new videos are put out. Be sure to hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.